Good evening, everyone. I am Sitia Asha Benito Maruhom, and my topic is all about the anatomy of small intestine, function, and parts. So what is the small intestine? The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. It extends from the stomach or pylorus to the large intestine or cecum and consists of three parts, which is the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The main functions of the small intestine are to complete digestion of food and to absorb nutrients. What are the different parts of the small intestine? The small intestine has a beginning section, a middle section, and an end section. Although there is no real separation between the parts, they do have slightly different characteristics and roles to play. The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine that the stomach feeds into. It is a short descending chute which is about 10 inches long that curves around the pancreas in a C shape before connecting to the rest of the cord intestines. The remaining small intestine lays in many coils inside the lower abdominal cavity. Its middle section, called the jejunum, makes up a little less than half of this remaining length. The jejunum is characterized by many blood vessels which give it a deep red color. The ileum is the last and longest section of the small intestine. Here the walls of the small intestine begin to thin and narrow, and blood supply is reduced. Food spends the most time in the ileum, where the most water and nutrients are absorbed. So what does the small intestine do? The small intestine is where most of the long process of digestion takes place. It systematically breaks food down, absorbs nutrients, extracts water, moves food along the gastrointestinal tract. There's a lot involved in all this. The process can take up to 5 hours. Lastly, this picture shows the microscopic anatomy of the small intestine. So that would be all. Thank you.